guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very helpful because today I am going to talk about a brown color, more fall tone eyeshadow palette for your festive look. Festive season is coming up super soon, so I think this is a video which will be really helpful for you all. All the colors are more towards brown, more towards mauve, more towards color which people will definitely use during this festive season. Colors which beginners are not scared of using. I mentioned eyeshadow palette which are affordable as well as expensive at the same time. This video is all about brownish tone eyeshadow palette. If you want me to do more pinkish and coralish family eyeshadow palette, I will be so happy to do that as well. So do let me know if you are interested in watching something like that. I guess without any further ado, let's get into this video. I will start from very affordable and then I will end with something very expensive. So the first eyeshadow palette which is very affordable is this one right over here. This is Mars I Belong in Your eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. This palette first of all is super affordable. This is for 199 rupees and this is something every beginner should purchase. I will not say only beginner, anyone can purchase this particular eyeshadow palette. First purchase this palette, I was like, okay, I know I'm not gonna love the formula. It will be more chalky, it will not give me enough pigmentation. But wow, this palette is so beautiful. The price is super affordable. Just look at the color story. You have different brownish, mauvey kind of shade. You have one or two nude, neutral kind of shade. You have few shimmer shades as well. So this is a perfect brown tone festive eyeshadow palette. You can do a smoky eye look with this particular palette. You can do a brown smoky eye look. You can do a mauve smoky eye look. You can also do a soft smoky eye look with this particular palette. The shimmers are very intense and the mattes are also very pigmented. I think this is something you should definitely go for. So the next palette is this one right over here, and this is from Nika K, as you guys can already guess. So this one is, obviously you will say, Antara, this is not a brown tone eyeshadow palette. This particular color story screams fall to me. I don't know why this is the fall color of the year. I'm not saying green is the fall color of the year. The palette contains few beautiful unique shades like this one right over here, this one right over here. These are like beautiful fall tone color. And also if you have any outfit with green, people ask me about one beautiful green or maybe not that intense green kind of eyeshadow palette. This is a perfect palette for you. This palette does not contain a green color which you can't wear. All the colors over here are very pretty. I have one intense deep brown shade which makes this palette more wearable, and you can use that shade for your smoky eyes. You can use that shade in so many different ways. Here there is a beautiful shimmer shade which is again a very pretty color. Let's talk about this palette right over here. You guys know how much I love Makeup Revolution and their eyeshadow palette. This is the palette right over here, and this is called Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. Not the first time I am recommending this particular eyeshadow palette for a festive look. Last year also I recommended this particular palette for a festive look. Last year also I created so many looks using this particular palette. I think I will say only one thing about this particular palette, that this is a must-have product. It contains so many beautiful brown tone color. If you are someone into a brown eyeshadow, if you are a brown eyeshadow lover, you are looking for any one eyeshadow palette from like any one brand, you just want to purchase it for this particular festive season, just go for this one. You do not need to worry about what I have to purchase. There are 10 eyeshadow palettes, which one should I purchase? I recommend this particular one because this is just amazing. This contains so many beautiful shimmer shade, so many beautiful matte shade. This is perfect for your smoky eyes. Definitely go for this one. Now I am going to talk about two eyeshadow palette from Lakme Absolute, and this is the palette that I have used for my eye makeup look. And don't worry, I know you guys are going to scream because where is your festive series? It's going to start pretty soon. October, one video will be live. Be total 4 to 5 videos for this festive series, and there will be a lot, and just wait for it because it is going to be very interesting. This is the palette that I'm going to talk about. Now this is more for people who are more into like softer colors, like full colors but more softer, maybe some plum and brownish kind of a color, maybe a little bit purple, this is a palette for you. I think now also they are giving you pretty good discount, so definitely go for this one. This is known as the Spotlight eyeshadow palette from Lakme in the shade, in the style Sundowner. It contains so many beautiful shades, and this is like perfect for your festive look. This you can create so many daytime look with this. You can take the deeper shade and create nighttime look with this. You can create a mauve smoky eye look, like a purplish mauve kind of a smoky eye look, or you can take just this yellow color, use it on your inner corners, and you are good to go. So use these shimmers right over here as your one and done eyeshadow. Just take the shimmer, use it all over your eyelid. Take some kajal, use it on your eyelid. These two colors are like my personal favorite. They are very soft, very beautiful. One is like a peachish color and one is like a peach pink, like a peach milk kind of a color. It's so yummy, this particular color right over here. So this is just perfect. If you are not into warm eyeshadow story, you can definitely go for this brown eyeshadow palette from Lakme again. This is more towards like that cool side, but still you have one or two warm shade as well. This is called Smoky Glam. It's a perfect smoky eyeshadow palette for you. This is just so beautiful, again a masterpiece, such a beautiful color. You have some blues as well right over here which you can use as your one and done eyeshadow. Use these brown shade for your smoky eyes. This row right over here which contains so many shimmer shade, you can use this as your one and done eyeshadow again. This is for all of you who love a cool brown eyeshadow story kind of a palette. Eyeshadow palette is from Kiko Milano and this is called their Mood Boost palette. This is a beautiful warm family eyeshadow palette. It contains 3 matte and 3 shimmers. Now you will be like, why do you need this palette? This is very expensive. I will say purchase this palette only if you get any discount, otherwise skip this palette. I am mentioning this palette just because of the formula. The formula is no doubt really good, especially the shimmer shades right over here, and I can purchase this palette just for this color right over here. This color is just so yummy. It looks so yummy, and I don't know why I describe eyeshadows so weirdly, but it genuinely looks so yummy. This can be your perfect one and done eyeshadow look. It gives you that perfect shine. It is not something extreme. It is not very dull looking. Perfect for every single skin tone as well, and it will go with any outfit that you will wear. Maybe sari, maybe a minimal kind of a look. Just use this particular color, use some kajal, use some mascara, use a good lipstick, and I think you're good to go. So this palette is really good. It comes with a mirror as well. It is beautiful. Just one thing, that purchase it if you get any discount only. Let's talk about this eyeshadow palette from Morphe. Two eyeshadow palettes from Morphe that I will recommend. So this one is called 9K Khaki Calling eyeshadow palette from Morphe, and this is a beautiful fall brown festive kind of a eyeshadow palette. Just look at this. This is so beautiful. Have a beautiful fall story right over here. You have some beautiful shimmer shade, some beautiful warm tone shade, one deep green shade, one deep brown shade. This is not black, this is a deeper very deep chocolate, dark chocolate kind of a shade. And the shimmers in here are so pretty, especially this color right over here. This is kind of like a minty shimmery shade. This is also so beautiful. It contains 3 total shimmer shade and all shades are matte. So this is like a perfect, again, eyeshadow palette for your smoky eye look. But if you don't want this, if you don't have this, I'm not saying that this is the dupe, because of course they both look very different, but you can get somewhat the look that you will create with this particular eyeshadow palette. I think with this one also you can create somewhat similar, and if you don't have this, you can definitely go and purchase the Nicka K one. But if you get a chance to purchase this one, get this one. It is so beautiful, and I am personally a brown eyeshadow lover. and this is what I really love using. If you get any discount from Colorbar, purchase this eyeshadow palette, or else other eyeshadow palettes from Colorbar I hate, I don't really love. I think Colorbar is more turning into very high-end kind of a brand. That price is going like higher and higher. Like the more they are collabing with different brands, the more they are like putting the price on a higher side. I don't know, maybe it's something about their luxury formula, something like that. Here from Colorbar is absolutely beautiful. Yes, you get only 4 shades, 1 matte shade and 2 glittery shimmery shade and 1 pure shimmer shade. But this particular palette is so beautiful. It is like a perfect fall tone color, and also this is perfect for your festive look as well. First of all, why am I mentioning this particular palette is just because of the formula. The formula is absolutely beautiful. Whenever you will touch this particular shadow, you will feel a silky smooth texture, which gives this a very royal finish, very expensive finish. Though it is expensive, for like you're getting 4 eyeshadow, and this is for 795 rupees, so it is expensive. But I think if you ever get a discount from Colorbar, go and purchase this one. This will act as your one and done eyeshadow. This will act as your smoky eye makeup look. Of course, you can create only maybe limited eye makeup look with this one, but formula wise, quality wise, this is beautiful. I have 2 eyeshadow palettes left. One is from Morphe, which I'm gonna mention afterwards. First, I'm gonna mention this one. It's from Dilora Jones, which is India's luxury makeup brand, first luxury makeup brand. So of course, first comes this one. This is expensive. This is like a luxury makeup product. If you want to gift yourself something someday, go and purchase this one. You will not regret purchasing this. Shadow palette contains some unique color which I cannot describe. You have to use this palette. You have to fall in love with this palette. This is like India's Pat McGrath palette, and it gives me that vibe genuinely. It contains so many beautiful brown color. It contains so many warm tone color. It contains beautiful unique shimmer shades which are absolutely unique. Trust me, it is absolutely unique, and I reviewed this product before as well. If you want to check my review, you can check out my IGTV. Whenever I will create look for my festive makeup look, I think I will use this palette at least once, because this is just beautiful. If you are a makeup lover, if you are makeup artist, if you are into makeup world, gift yourself this one. This one right over here, this is like my most used expensive eyeshadow palette. This is from Morphe. This one is the Madison Beer eyeshadow palette. It is a great investment. It comes with a mirror and it looks something like this. Every brown color that you need is right over here. And the best part is the shimmer shade. I love this one and this one right over here. They are so beautiful. Quality wise, it is amazing. I will say this honestly, I do not love like Morphe eyeshadow palette that much, but few palettes from Morphe, which I will make one video one day all about Morphe eyeshadow palettes. Few eyeshadow palettes from Morphe, I think they are worth purchasing, especially Morphe Avani palette. It is so beautiful. If you are again a makeup lover, gift yourself that one. It is beautiful. And if you are someone, a beginner, if you want to invest in a good quality makeup product, if you want to invest in a Morphe eyeshadow palette, just go for this one. This you will not get in India. You have to pre-order, or you can purchase from any authentic international makeup page. It's like a brown lover, love at first sight. I don't know what I'm saying, but I really love this one. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really find this video helpful. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, I will come up with more eyeshadow palette reviews. Just stay tuned for it, because I have very newly launched product coming up soon, which I'm gonna review, so stay tuned for that. I'll come up with my top 10 lipsticks for festive season. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching.